Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I am going to introduce you guys with some amazing Indian brands which you can try and incorporate in your daily skincare routine. This whole Chinese thing and whole Corona thing has created this buzz of supporting our economy and supporting this indie brands and Indian made things, which is I am really proud of, because not only it supports our economy, but it also helps companies be more creative and come up with alternatives to the brands that we already love, like Korean or UK or US based brands. And this also creates a huge market for Indian brands. So let's get on with the video. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you guys with 5 Indian brands that are amazing. I really love those, and I'm sure you guys will love those too. Hey guys, so if you are seeing this face for the very first time, definitely subscribe, because I like making skincare and cooking and haul and random videos. If you guys like any genre which I have told you, then you should definitely go ahead and subscribe and hit on that bell notification so you don't miss an update. The first brand that I am going to talk about is the buzz of the town, which is Mamaearth. Now, Mamaearth are a buzz of the town for 2 reasons mainly. First of all, it's free from harsh things, and Mamaearth was a brand made especially for babies first, and then they came up with products which are suitable for moms, and then they came up with stuff that are suitable for everyone. Mamaearth is a very good brand, and I really like couple of different products from the brand, and I have tried many, but 50% disappointed me and the 50% I really like. So the first product that I really like is their Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel. This is a very good gel. It has a similar consistency to any other light aloe vera gels in the market, and it also contains turmeric, which is a very popular ingredient for good reasons, because it contains antifungal and antibacterial properties which will heal your skin, also prevent it from bacteria and harmful things. Another product that my sister really likes from Mamaearth is their Upton face wash. Now, Upton face wash, I don't really like this product because it has scrubby beads, but my sister really likes this brand. So another product from Mamaearth that I really like is their Bye Bye Dark Circle eye cream. It's an amazing, fantastic eye cream. It moisturizes your eye, it absorbs quickly, and it's a very good eye cream for you to try. Now, I will mention all of the brands in the bottom box below, including all my recommendations, so check the bottom box below. So the second brand that I will introduce you guys is Arania. Now, Arania products are made in India, but they are researched and developed in USA. So it's kind of a 50-50 brand. So it's made in India and it's a good product, and that's what you really need to know. So the first product that I am going to recommend you from Arania is their hair mask. It contains argan oil, hibiscus and green tea, which is amazing for your hair. And this hair mask will condition and hydrate your hair. So this is a pretty affordable company. I have a couple of different things from their brand. First one is this hair mask, second is this charcoal face scrub, and I also have this moisturizing cream which I enjoy thoroughly. So third company, if you guys know me, then you know I love Kaya. Now, Kaya is a brand that not many of the YouTubers talk about. Recently, Shreya Jain talked about Kaya in her videos, and I'm really happy that more beauty influencers are talking about this brand, because this brand is amazing. First of all, this brand has existed long ago. First of all, it was this Kaya Skin Clinic, and then it shifted towards like consumer products. I really like the product. First product that I die for is actually a hair care product, and it's this anti-dandruff shampoo from Kaya. It's an amazing anti-dandruff shampoo. I used up bottles of this. I think I already used up like 5 or 6 bottles of this. It's an amazing cleanser. Not only it helps to prevent your dandruff, but it also helps cleansing your scalp, like really squeaky clean scalp. And this one is a very affordable shampoo. It's for 200 rupees for 200 ml. Really like Kaya's toners. The first toner that I really like is the mandelic acid toner. Now, mandelic acid is really good AHA, and it's a really good chemical exfoliant for a fraction of the prices that many of the other companies are offering. And this one is 100 ml for 200 bucks or 300 bucks. I also have this refining mist. It's their white resilience brightening mist. It contains Japanese cherry blossom and purple orchid, and it also contains niacinamide, which is very good for your skin's barrier. So the next brand that I will be introducing you to is Aroma Magic. Now Aroma Magic is again an underrated brand like Kaya, and nobody really talks about this brand, but this is an Indian made brand. It has some amazing affordable products. For example, this lavender face wash, its scent is to die for, and I have purchased this couple of times and I really like it. Another two products are this face mask from Aroma Magic. First one is the Aroma Magic activated bamboo charcoal face mask. My god, I have raved about so much when I first initially started YouTube, and you can check my videos. I will link couple of them in the bottom box. This is an amazing face mask. It cost about like 500 rupees for a huge tub, and it cleanses your face like nobody's business. And Aroma Magic, it's a very good brand to indulge you upon. The last product that I recommend from Aroma Magic is their hydrating seaweed pack, and this is a sleeping pack. I really feel a difference after the initial use. It will hydrate your skin, it will make it like plump and moisturized. That's what basically all overnight masks do, but this one is really hydrating for your skin. And even if you are oily skin type, you need hydration, so it's suitable for all skin types. The last brand that I will be mentioning is Global Beauty Secret. Now I have talked about this brand a couple of different times, especially like the Japanese Azuki Bean face wash is not exactly suited for everyone. If you have much sensitive skin, then you might need to do a patch test first and then you need to use it, because it has natural ingredient, like couple of different natural ingredient which are not suitable for everyone. But if this suits you, it will make your skin texture smooth as heck. And this is a little bit expensive product. It's for around like 700 to 900 bucks, but it also comes in a huge packaging, and you really need a really pea-sized amount of the product to cleanse your face. It cleanses your face, it doesn't dries out your skin. It has Azuki beans, which is great for brightening your skin and cleansing your skin. And I have also tried this saffron and milk toner, if I'm not wrong, and that is also very moisturizing for your skin. And Global Beauty Secrets is a brand that came across I think 2 or 3 years back, and their ingredients and their formulations are really nice, and they focus upon different region of the world for different types of the products. For example, this is inspired from Japanese Azuki beans. The saffron and milk is inspired from Indian subcontinent. They also have this Moroccan and Turkish thing, and also Cleopatra hair oil that I tried it from Schmitten and I really liked it. So these are the 5 different skincare brands, like indie skincare brand, that I wanted you to try out and incorporate in your daily life, which are first of all amazing and at par with the international brands that you like, and second, they're either made in India or they are completely an Indian brand, so I support that. And thirdly, while we are at this quarantine, why not support our economy? And with that, I end my video, and I will make more of this indie series. And if you guys like this sort of series, then do like and comment, and also share this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell notification, because I'm going to make you guys try out more of this amazing skincare brands, and I will recommend you guys more and more. That was my video, and I hope you like it. So until next time, bye bye and take care.